Morning boys and girls, and in today's maths lesson we are going to be comparing numbers, okay? First let's count forwards and backwards to 20, so we'll start counting backwards, so we'll go from 20 all the way back to 10, so we can use shooting stars. Let's go 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Super, let's go forwards. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, now I want you to point to number 10 and let's point to every number as we get to 20, okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Was you following along the number line? Super. If you want to practice counting more from 10 to 20 and backwards, you can pause this video and keep practicing. But I would like you now to show me 14. Point to number 14. Show me 19. Point to number 19. Show me 11. Point to number 11. Point to number 15. Super. And point to number 20. Fantastic. A little recap then. Which is the most? So first question, it says which is the most. Have a look at those tens frames, count how many we've got and see which side has the most. Don't forget you don't have to count to 10. We can see that there's 10, count on from 10. I'll give you a minute to count those two. Right, so this one we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And on the other side we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So which one has the most? Super, and we can see, just by looking at our eyes, we can see which side has the most counters. Question number 2. 1 10 and 4 ones is equal to, put those two numbers together, 1 10 and 4 ones, 14. Super easy. Question number 3, which is the least? Look at both sides. I'm not going to count them for you this time. Which one has the least? Well done, it's that side. That side's got 12, the other one has 15, okay? So 12 is a smaller number. It's got the least. And question number 4, it says 17 is equal to 1 and something ones. How many ones are in 17? So if you can't think, maybe write 17 down, and then you know that you've got your 10, and then have a look and see how many ones you've got. And it should be 7, because 1 and 7 together looks like 17. 1 10 and 7 ones. Right, let's have a look then. We are comparing numbers today, so let's have a look which is the greatest. So I'm going to show you all your numbers. Read it. 16. 10 add 1. What is 10 add 1 more? 11, well done. What number's that? 13, super. This one? 10 add 7. What is 10 add 7? What is 1 10 and 7 ones? 17, well done, and we've got the word 12. And then on that other side we can see all those numbers, okay? So there's just different ways of showing it on that left hand side, and then here's all the numbers on the right hand side. So which number then out of all of those is the greatest? Which one is the most? Super, the answer should have been 17. That is your greatest number. Now we're going to show you them all again. 16, 11, 13, 17 and 12. Which one is the least? Which one is the smallest number? Super, you should have chosen 11, because 11 is 10 and 1 ones. All the others, we've got 12 which is 10 and 2 ones, we've got 13 which is 10 and 3 ones, we've got 16 which is 10 and 6 ones, and 17 which is 10 and 7 ones, which was our greatest number. So 10 and 1 1 is our lowest and least number. It is number 11. So here's our number track from 11 all the way to 20. Join in with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super. And then we've got 3 words. We've got the word greater than. Can you point to that word? Super. Less than. And equal to, which means the same. And we've got some sentences here, and we need to put the correct word or the correct words into these spaces, okay? So the first one, we've got number 16. Can you point to number 16 so that I know that we're on the right part? Super. So 16 is something than 17. So is 16 greater than 17? Is 16 less than 17? Or is 16 equal to 17? Use the number track at the top to help you. Point 16.7, 17. 16 is less than 17. Well done. Give yourselves a clap if you got that right. Right, next one. Point to the word 19. So it says 19 is something 110 and 9 ones. So have a think about what 110 and 9 ones is. So 19 is greater than 110 and 9 ones. 19 is less than 110 and 9 ones. Or 19 is equal to 110 and 9 ones. Use the number line to help you. Find 19, find 110 and 9 ones, and have a think. Super! 110 and 9 ones is 19. So it's equal to, 19 is equal to 110 and 9 ones. It's just another way of saying it. Right, this bottom one then, we've got 10 add 6. What is 10 add 6? What is 110 add 6 ones? Well done, it's 16. So 10 add 6 is 16, okay? So 16 is something 12. So find 16 on your number line. Find 12 on your number line. And have a think. So is 16 greater than 12? Is 16 less than 12? Or is 16 equal to 12? Super. So 16 is greater than or more than 12, because if you point to both those numbers, you can see 16 is a greater number. It's closer to number 20 and 12 is closer to number 10 or 11. So it is greater than. 16 is greater than 12. Right, let's use these symbols to compare. Don't forget we use them and we pretend it's our crocodile. So we've got less than, equal to, greater than. Greater than, equal to, less than. Here's our number track again with our numbers to help us compare. So we've got the numbers 18 and 20. Point to the numbers 18 and 20. Which symbol needs to go in there? Which symbol? So is 18 greater than or less than 20? Remember, the crocodile's mouth has to face the greatest number. 18 is greater than 20, or 18 is less than 20. What do you think that symbol says? Fantastic, less than. So 18 is less than 20. Let's move on. We've got 16 and we've got 12. Which symbol do we need to use now? Super. 16 is greater than 12. And look at that wide mouth facing that greater number. 16 is greater than 12. Let's have a look at the bottom one. 13 and 18. Find 13 on your number track. Find 18 on your number track. And think about which symbol needs to go in there. Super. 13 is less than 18. It is a smaller number. Let's have a look again then. Look at your number track. Look at our symbols. Let's go again. Oh, we've got some words here just to complicate it a bit for us. So we've got 16 and we've got the word 15. 16 is greater than 15 because 16 is one more than 15, okay? So 16 is the greater number. And then we've got 11 on that side, 11. And then we've got 110 and 9 ones. 11 on this side, 110 and 9 ones on that side. What is 110 and 9 ones? Well done, it's 19. So is 11 greater or less than 19? Super, 11 is less than 19. And then we've got 10 add 10. What is 10 add 10? What did we say 2 tens is? 20, well done. And then we've got the word 20. So we've got 10 add 10. Is that more than, greater than, less than, or equal to 20? So 20 on one side, 20 on the other side is equal, because 10 add 10 is 20, and then they've written the word 20 there, so that's equal. Right, so this is where you can pause the video and you can do this at home. And Turtle says, I think I will practice using words and symbols to compare my numbers. So we've got the words here, greater than, less than, and equal to, and then we've got lots of spaces for the numbers, okay? So this is how we could do it. This is an example. In that first black box, I might put 16. 16 is, I'm going to choose greater than, so 16 is greater than 110 and 4 ones, because I know 110 and 4 ones is 14 and 16 is greater than 14. And then at the bottom it will be 16 is greater than 14. Or I could change it and I might put 12 is less than 110 and 3 ones. Because 110 and 3 ones I know is 13, so 12 is less than 13, and then along the bottom 12 is less than 13. Or I might choose 18. 18 is equal to 110 and 8 ones. 18 is equal to 110 and 8 ones. 18 is equal to 18. So you can pause this and you can have a practice using cubes, counters, toys, whatever you've got at home, Lego to help you, and you can practice doing more than, less than, equal to, and remember those tens and ones. Go into our worksheet, we're just going to have a look at our true or our false. Is it right or is it wrong? It says 7 is less than 17. Get your number track out, find 7, find 17. Is 7 less than 17? Pause the video. Yes, the answer is correct. It's true. 7 is less than 17 because we've got 7 ones in our number 17. So it's actually 10 less, isn't it? So 7 is less than 17. That is true. That is correct. Hope you've enjoyed comparing numbers with me today. Get out your worksheet from your work pack and complete that for me. And I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.